Hi guys, today I'll be unboxing B and Hitmontop Bandai Premium Scale World Pokemon figures. Make sure to check out my previous Scale World figure unboxings if you haven't already done so. The Japanese names are Saito and Capoeira. She's number 193. Here are some close-ups of the figures. Here are the figures that have been released so far. Some examples of the scaling and some Japanese writing. Here's the gum. The older premium figures have stickers on the side of the box, but the new ones don't. First, let's take a closer look at B. Like always, the face design is really well done. The hair sculpt is also really good. She has the fighting gym symbol on the shirt. And the gym symbol on the sleeve. You can also see the fighting symbol on the side of the shorts. And 193, which is her number. And a tiny wrench. She's not wearing any shoes, and her feet are tiny. She's carrying an Ultra Ball. Here's a closer look at the Dynamax band and the glove. Do you like a bowl cut? Let me know in the comments below. Here's a number again on the back of the shirt. Like all the human trainers, the head is articulated. This one has more range than the others. And here's the final 360-degree spin. She can stand on her own, but is better supported with the stand. Now let's take a look at Hitmontop. He's a Generation 2 Pokemon. They should have given her grab locked. I'm not really a fan of this sculpt. His proportions seems a bit off. The arms and legs should be longer, and the hands and feet also should be bigger. The favorite part about this figure is the stand. You can put him in two different positions. The first is him standing normally. And you can also put him standing on his head like a spinning top. But you can't spin him. Here's a comparison with Nessa and Dreadnought. Nessa is taller than B. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of B and Hitmontop Scale World figures. Let me know in the comments below which Galarian gym leaders are your favourite. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.